Android apps are distributed as something called APK file packages. An APK file is basically a zip archive file that contains all of your compiled code and app assets, plus a manifest file with instructions to the device for how the app is supposed to be run. You can generate your APK files right here in Android Studio, but you can also create a newer and somewhat better format called an app bundle that only works with the Google Play Store. To create a signed distribution package that includes a required security certificate, go to the menu and choose Build, Generate Signed Bundle or APK. I'll start with the simpler format, the APK. I'll click Next, and now I need to create a key store file. I'll click on Create New, and then I'll click the folder icon to choose a location, and I'm going to put this file on my desktop so it's easy to see. I'll name the file mycert.jks. That's a standard file extension. The password can be anything you like, just make sure you type something that you will remember easily. The alias can be anything also. I'll call it myalias. And then there's another password. The validity can be left at the default, and then you must enter either a name or an organization. I'll put in my name. I'll click OK. If I have password issues, I'll be notified, so I'll type the passwords again a little bit more carefully. And when I click OK, my file is created. My passwords are remembered, and if I want to keep on remembering them, I can check that option. Then I'll click Next, and now I'm ready to select what kind of APK I want to generate. You can choose either a debug or a release APK, or both. Then I usually check both signature versions and click Finish. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a status indicator telling you that the application is being built and packaged. When the building process is done, if everything works correctly, you'll see a notification appear that includes a link for where your new APK was created. You can click on this notification labeled Generate Signed APK and then click on Locate, and on Mac you should open to Finder, or on Windows you should open to File Explorer. And there's my APK file. There's also a file there named output.json that has descriptive information, including a map of the compilation process. If you're working through an app store that requires an APK file, this is the file that you need. You can work with this process on the command line, but it's a lot easier to do it in Android Studio.